Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon not showing problem. As you can see, my Wi-Fi icon is missed. So first press and hold your power button for 60 seconds. Then turn on your laptop or computer after 10 seconds. Then go to search bar and search network connection. Then click on view network connection. Now as you can see, my Wi-Fi network is disabled. So to enable this, right-click on it and click on Enable. After this, once again go to the search bar and search Troubleshoot Settings. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now click Run on the network and internet. So as you can see, there are many troubleshooter options. So it will guide you, and you can choose any of this troubleshoot options. Go to Start menu and left-click on it. Then choose Device Manager. Then drop down the Network Adapter option. Now choose your Wi-Fi adapter and right-click on it. Then click on Update Driver and follow this step. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi adapter is already updated. The other option is press Window plus R key. Then type services.msc and press Enter. Now find Network Auto Config. Then right-click on it and go to Properties. Then change the startup type to Automatic and start the service status. Then click Apply and click OK. Let me know which step works for you down in the comment section. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.